2.6 exercise. And next topic in our chapter is division of decimal numbers. What are the topic we are going to see in division of decimal number? Already you know decimal number, division also you know. In this topic what we are going to see? Division by 10, 100 and 1000. 100 and 1000 we are going to see, and division of a decimal number by whole number we are going to see, and division of a decimal number by another decimal number you are going to see. What are the topic you are going to see? Division by 100, 10 and 1000 multiples, and division of a decimal number with a whole number, and division of a decimal number with another decimal number we are going to see. So directly we will go for the exercise 2.7. What is given there? Find the certain numbers they are given for division. First one I am taking 0.4 divided by 2. That means a decimal number divided by a whole number it is given. So division means what? 0.4 divided by 2. So one I am doing in method. First you have to do this. Remove the decimal here. 0.4 means already given. One digit means upon 10. So 4 upon 10. And division. Division is what? 2. So it will become in multiplication and reciprocal. We have done many problems in the previous exercise. So first one I am removing the decimal here 0.4 as 4 upon 10 because it is single digit after decimal. Then 2 it is a whole number, so I am reciprocal. Reciprocal why I am doing 1 upon 2? Because here assuming as 2 is upon 1. So 1 upon 2 I am multiplying. So I am cancelling. 2 can divide 2. 4. So 2 times. So once again if you multiply 2 upon 10. So I am taking 2 upon 10. Once again you see it is 2 upon 10. Then what we can do? We can put a single digit, no? 10 means 0 means 1 point we can put. So here already 1 is there. So 0.2 is the answer. 1 decimal point you have to put. Understood? This is first problem. Second problem is that 0.35 division of 5. Immediately what I am doing, 0.35 2 digit is there. So I am removing the decimal 35 upon 100. And here it is a meaning 5 upon 1. So it will become reciprocal in multiplication. Your sign will become multiplication and your number will become 1 upon 5. Now you see 35 upon 100 into 1 upon 5. 5 can divide 35 7 times. So what is the remaining number? 7 ones are 7. 100 ones are 100. So 7 upon 100. Once again you see it is 7 upon 10 multiple upon 100. So 2 0 is there. So 2 digit after decimal should be there. So what I have 1 digit is there. Another is not there. Put 1 0 and put 1 point. So 0.07 is a 2 digit decimal. Then third problem. 2.48 divided by 4. Immediately what I am removing the point here. So 248 upon after decimal 2 digit is there, so I am taking upon 100. Into I am taking. This will become reciprocal. 4 means 4 upon 1. So it will become reciprocal 1 upon 4. Then divide 248 by 4, it can be divisible. Yes. 62 times it is divisible. Then remaining no possibility. So multiply 62 into 1, 100 into 1, 62 upon 100. So 2 digit you have to put the point 0 0 means. So the already 2 digit is there. So 0.62 will be your decimal value. Then fourth problem you see 65.4 division of 6. So immediately I am converting this decimal 654 upon 100 into 6 upon 1 meaning it will become reciprocal 1 upon 6. Then 6 table can cancel this one. 1 time, 0 time and 9 time. 109. I am multiplying 1 with 109. 109 I am getting 100 into 1, 100. Then here you see 2 zeros. So 2 decimal you have to put. So 1.09. That is your answer. Fifth problem. 651.2 divided by 4. Immediately I am removing the decimal in the first number. 6512 upon 10 because single digit is there upon 10. This 4 upon 1 we will become reciprocal and multiplication. Multiply 1 upon 4. Then I am cancelling by 4 way to here. 1 time, 6 time, 2 time and 8 time. With 1628 time. I am dividing. If you feel hard, separately 4 table you divide this one. You will get the answer. Then multiply this one. 1628 into 1. 1628 into 8, we are getting 1628, and the denominator we are getting 10 into 1 directly, 10. So here 10 is there, 1 digit you have to move. So from the last 1 digit you move and put 1 point. So 162.8 is the answer for the fifth problem. Sixth problem you see 14.49 division of 7. Then immediately I am removing the decimal. 1449, 2 digit is there upon 100. Then into, this is reciprocal, so into 1 upon 7. Then we check 7 can directly divide this one. 7 one time, 2 time, 0 time, 7 time. So multiply 207 into 1, 207. Then 100 into 1 upon 100. So 2 zeros are there, 2 decimal you have to move. 1 digit, 2 digit. So point here. So your answer is 2.07. Same way you do 7th problem, 8th problem as homework. Okay. Then second question. It is also similar, but here a decimal number division of 10. Easy method. Division of 10 means very easy. Listen how I have done. First method I have done. 4.8 divided by 10. So what I have done as usual, 4.8 I am removing this decimal. So 48 upon 10. And 10 will become reciprocal. So it is 10 means what? 10 upon 1. So I am making reciprocal. 1 upon 10 multiplication. Now you see 48 into 1, 48, 10 into 10, 100. So 2 zeros are there, 2 digit you have to move. So I am moving 8, 4. Then 0.48 will be your answer. This is your first method. What? Converting your decimal, making it reciprocal and multiplication, multiplying it, putting the decimal point. This is one method. Another method directly we can do. 4.8 upon 10. Write it in division form normal. 4.8 upon 10 as it is. 4.8 divided by 10 means upon 10. Then you see 10 means 1 digit you have to move. Already 1 decimal is there. Move that decimal to the 1 digit after. So directly you get 0.48. Either this method you can do or this method you can do. Whatever you feel easy, you can do any method. Okay. Second problem also I have done in two methods. You see 52.5 divided by 10. So immediately what I am doing, 52 point, I am removing 1 point is there upon 10 into 10, it will become reciprocal 1 upon 10. Then I am multiplying 5 to 5 upon 100, 2 0 denominator. So 2 digit we have to move from last, 5 to point. So 5.25, that is your answer. In other method you see, I am taking directly 52.5 upon division of 10, I am writing directly. See 1 point already is there, 10 means 1 digit you have to move. So move this decimal to here. So you will get 5.25. Both the answer you see, same only. Any method you can do. Okay. Third problem. 0.7 divided by 10. First method I am doing, converting 7 upon 10 because 0.7 into reciprocal 1 upon 10. Then I am multiplying 7 upon 100. Then 2 0. So 2 digit you have to move. 1 is there, another one is not there. Put 0. So 0.07 is the answer. In other method directly 0.7 upon 10. So already 1 point is there. Move 1 digit here. Digit is not there means you have to put 0. So 0.07 is the answer. Both the methods same answer you have to get. Okay, if you are doing. Then fourth problem I am doing. Directly I am doing 33.1 division of 10. So 33.1 division of 10 is upon 10. So I am moving directly this point to 1 digit because 1 0 1 digit. So your answer is 3.31. So 5, 6, 7. You take it as a homework. Any method you can do. Okay. Third question. Here 10 we have divided no. In the third question divide by 100. Decimal number division of 100. 2.7 divided by 100. First problem. So two method I am doing. 2.7 I am removing the decimal here. So 27 upon 10 into reciprocal of 100. 1 upon 100. Then I am multiplying 27 upon 10 into 100, 1000. So 27 upon 1000. See how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So 3 digit you have to move. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is not there. 0. So 0.027. 3 digit means 3 zeros means after decimal there should be 3 digit. Okay. 1, 2 here 48 upon 100 means 20 means after decimal 2 148. Okay. And in direct method I am doing, you see, 2.7 division of 100. 2.7 divided by 100. So 20 is there. So 1 point is there already. So 1 and another one is not there, put 0. So your answer will be 0.027. By this method or this method, any method you can do. Okay. Then second problem. 0.3 divided by 100. Second method I am doing. 0.3 divided by 100 I am writing. So 2 digit we have to move. Already one decimal is there. So 1, 0 and another one no number is there, put another 0. So your answer is 0.003. Okay, that is second problem. Third problem. 0.78 division of 100. Direct method I am doing. 0.78 upon 100 I have written as it is. Now you see already decimal is there. We need 2 zeros are given. So 2 digit we have to move. So 1 digit you move 0. Another digit is not there. Add another 0. So 2 digit. So 0.0078. That is your answer. Okay. Same way, 4th, 5th, 6th you take it as a homework. All are repeated problem from 6th standard. It is very easy. Already you are studying in 6th standard also 100 multiples, 1000 multiples and 10 multiples. Okay. Fourth question, first problem. What is given there? Here 100 we have seen, here 10 we have seen. Now we are going to see division of 1000. 7.9 divided by 1000. So what is the direct method I am doing? 7.9 divided by 1000. Already 1 point is there. 3 digit we have to move because 3 is there. 1, 7 is there. Nothing number is there. So add 2 0. So 0.20079. That is your answer. So second problem of the same method I have done. 26.3 division of 1000. Direct division method I have done. 26.3 upon 1000. 3 digit you have to move. 1 is there. Here already decimal is there. Move the decimal 3 digit. 1 is there. 2 is there. Then add 1 0 put the point. So 0.0263. That is your answer. Then third one is 38.53 divided by 1000. Directly I am doing 38.53 upon 1000. So you have to move 3 digit. Already after decimal 2 digit is there. Add 1 0 put point. So 0.03853. That is your answer. Similarly, fourth and fifth problem you conduct as a homework. Okay. Then fifth question. Question what is given? A whole number division of a decimal number. How to do it? See first problem. 7 division of 3.5. So what you have to do? Write as it is. Remove the decimal here. 7 division of I am removing the decimal point. So 35 upon 10. Okay. And once again it is in division. So this right hand side will become reciprocal. 7 multiplication symbol it will change. It will become reciprocal. 10 upon 35. Then you see that any possibility is there or simplify? Yes. 7 one time, 7 5 times, 35 can cancel. So 7 one time, 5 times. Once again 5 and 10 can cancel. 5 can cancel 2 times. So your answer is what? 1 into 2 upon 1. Upon 1 is nothing that. So 1 into 2, 2. That is the answer. Okay. 2. Upon 1 means it's understood. Any number you are writing means it is understood that upon 1. So no need of writing 1 upon. So directly you write it 2. Okay. Second question. What is second question given? 36 divide 0.2 by division of by 0.2. Same method. 36 division, this point I am removing 2 upon 10 because single digit is there. 2 upon 10. Then I am changing in a reciprocal manner. 36, this 10 upon 2 will become reciprocal. 10 upon 2 multiplication. Then 2 can divide 36 18 times. Cancel it. Then multiply 18 into 10. 180. That is your second problem. Third problem you see. 3.25 divided by 0.5. Both are decimal number. First remove the decimal. 325 we got 2 digit upon 100 I have done. Division of 0.5 single digit, so 5 upon 10 I have done. So right hand side now it will become reciprocal in multiplication. So 325 upon 100 into 10 upon 5. Now simplify. Here 1 0, here 1 0 will cancel. In 100 in 10 and 1 1 0 cancel. 5 can divide this 325. How many times? 6 times 30, 2 remainder, 5 times 25. So 65. What is remaining number now? 65 into 1, 65. 10 into 1, 10. See 65 upon 10. So 1 0 is there. How many digit you have to move for decimal? 1 digit. So 6.5. So up to this one today we will complete, and tomorrow we will continue with the other problem. Thank you.